Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best mono fishing line is probably one of the most important yet overlooked aspects of successful fishing, and choosing the right one can significantly impact your angling experience, from casting distance and sensitivity to knot strength and overall durability. This video will dive deep into the world of monofilament lines, helping you understand its properties, applications, and how to select the perfect line for your specific fishing needs and tackle. Number 5. Berkley Trilene XL. It's stronger and smoother than ever. This versatile line offers exceptional performance with various baits and techniques, ensuring you land that catch. It resists twists and kinks for smooth casting. You'll place your lure exactly where you want it, every time. This line offers great strength for its diameter. The clear design helps it stay hidden underwater. It maintains durability, even when wet. You'll have confidence and control in any fishing situation. Available in strengths from 2 to 30 pounds. Its thin diameter ensures exciting fights end in your favor. Experience the difference of Berkley Trilene XL. Get yours today and enjoy the thrill of the catch. What we like. It casts smoothly and is incredibly strong, making it perfect for various fishing techniques and baits. If you need a reliable line that performs well in diverse situations, this is the one for you. Its versatility makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced anglers. What people say. Catch a boatload of fish on it. Super strong and casts well. Great line has a good amount of strength to it, could definitely take a 10-pounder and works good for finesse jigs. Great line for most of my poles I own. Very smooth, thin and clear line. Number 4. KastKing Premium Mono Line. It's designed with a cutting-edge paralleled roll track, giving you more line on your reel for effortless casting and handling. This line is incredibly tough. It's built to withstand the wear and tear of battling even the strongest fish. Whether you prefer a low-visibility clear line or a vibrant color for specific fishing techniques, it has you covered. It absorbs minimal water, meaning less limpness and faster retrieval. You'll enjoy confident fishing in any condition. It's designed to reduce line breakage at the knot, making it perfect for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. Enjoy the fun, affordably. This line comes from a 2015 Outcast award-winning manufacturer, so you know you're getting top quality. What we like. This line's low memory feature ensures easy handling and casting. Its abrasion resistance means it can handle tough fishing conditions. If you value smooth casting and durability, this line is a great choice, especially for battling strong fish. What people say. The line hasn't snapped off easy fish yet, so I would say that's a plus. The neon color definitely makes it easier to see in the water. Tough but thin, and we've caught many fish on here. It is used for panfish, but I have caught a few fairly large bass on this line as well. Top of the line stuff. The quality of the line is superior to the dozens of others I've used over the many years of angling, seeming to be much stronger while still allowing for finessing abilities and maintaining strength throughout the day life of the line. So far, I've managed to reel in several different species of fish, showing its diversity and functionality as well as providing an easier line to work with when it comes to securing various types of knots. Number 3. Zebco Outcast Fishing Line. It's designed for all types of fishing. Its low memory and stretch, combined with high tensile strength, make it incredibly reliable. It resists coiling, twists, and kinks. Plus, its high sensitivity lets you feel every bite and bottom contact. With its high tensile strength, you can confidently reel in even the biggest catches. It's a line you can depend on. Each spool contains 190 yards of 25-pound test clear monofilament. That's plenty of line for any fishing adventure. Zebco has a long history of providing quality outdoor gear. It comes with a 1-year warranty against defects. What we like. It's designed to prevent coiling and is highly sensitive, allowing you to feel even the slightest nibble. If you prioritize sensitivity and reliability in your line, this one is a great option. Its high tensile strength ensures you can reel in even the biggest catches. What people say. It's sturdy, doesn't snap under pressure, and works like a charm for what I needed. Whether you're tying lures or DIY stuff, this line holds up. It is built to be heavy-duty, ensuring durability and strength, making it ideal for demanding tasks. At double thickness it works perfect for beading. Beads easily slide on. It's strong and hard to cut, which is good because it means my creations won't break. Number 2. KastKing Destron Monofilament. Get ready to experience superior fishing line. It's made with a proprietary extrusion process for unmatched quality and performance. This advanced process uses nylon resins to create a premium monofilament line. This results in a stronger, more reliable line for your fishing adventures. It boasts lower light refraction than standard copolymer lines. This means fish are less likely to see it, increasing your chances of a successful catch. Its super smooth surface minimizes friction. This allows for longer casts and better control, ultimately leading to more precise fishing. This line is highly resistant to abrasion, exceeding most traditional copolymer lines. This translates to greater knot strength and fewer lost fish. With its low stretch factor, you'll feel even the slightest nibble. Experience enhanced sensitivity and improved hook setting. What we like. This line boasts low light refraction, making it nearly invisible underwater. Its smooth surface allows for long casts. If you're looking for a line that's both stealthy and performs exceptionally well, this is an excellent choice for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. What people say. Spooled this monofilament on my KastKing Centron rod and spinning reel, took it out bass fishing this past weekend. I was able to cast a great distance, had no troubles at all with this line. Showed very little memory both casting and retrieving. Even got really snagged a couple times and retrieved my lure without breaking the line or pulling out the knot. Very thin for diameter, strong, supple, and abrasion resistant. It has everything a good monofilament is supposed to have. Number 1. Berkley Trilene Big Game. It's built for strength and reliability, so you can land that big catch. This heavy-duty line gives you the confidence to handle any situation. It's made with a special blend for unmatched toughness. You'll have the control you need, no matter how hard the fish fights. This line offers incredible strength for its diameter. The clear color makes it easy to see underwater, keeping you in control. Its durable construction ensures your knots hold tight. You can depend on it to hold even when battling the biggest fish. It's available in a wide range of strengths, from 8 to 130 pounds. The thin diameter ensures exciting fights, without the worry of breakage. What we like. It's built for incredible durability and its knots hold exceptionally well. If you're targeting larger fish and need a line that can withstand the pressure, this is the perfect choice. Its reliability makes it ideal for anglers who demand the best in tough fishing situations. What people say. It's very good quality and my line flies through the guide smoothly. It's super easy to cast and isn't overly visible. I've also never had it coil up on me. Thickness is exactly what he needed. Has been able to add line to 2 new bait casters with plenty left over. Berkley Trilene Big Game Monofilament is a dependable choice for anglers. It's strong, abrasion resistant, and handles large fish with ease. The line casts smoothly and knots well, making it perfect for both freshwater and saltwater fishing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.